Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best men's manicure set is probably one of the most important grooming tools a man can own, offering a convenient and effective way to maintain healthy and well-kept nails at home. In this video, we will delve into the exceptional quality and craftsmanship of this particular made in USA manicure set, exploring its features, benefits, and why it stands out from the competition, ensuring you have all the information you need to make an informed decision before purchasing. Number 5. Onsen Secret Nail Buffer. This innovative buffer is designed to gently buff your nails, revealing a natural shine without causing damage. It's perfect for maintaining healthy, beautiful nails. Our unique grit pads gently smooth imperfections, preventing cracks and splitting. It also helps protect your nails from environmental damage. It locks in moisture to combat dryness, a major enemy of healthy nails. This helps restore your nails' natural shine and vitality. It smooths ridges, removes stains, improves circulation, and polishes your nails to a glossy shine. It's ideal for regular maintenance and post-gel or acrylic treatments. This durable buffer is designed for long-lasting use. Replacement pads are included, making it a sustainable and economical choice. Use it weekly on your fingernails and bi-weekly on your toenails. For optimal results, try a 60-day nail reboot once a year. What we like. This patented buffer gently buffs imperfections without thinning or damaging nails, revealing a brilliant shine that lasts up to 10 days. If you are looking for a cost-effective, sustainable solution for healthy, shiny nails, you should consider this. It's perfect for weekly maintenance and restoring nails after gel or acrylics. What people say. I am blown away by this buffer. In the first picture, I had used the yellow and blue sides and it was already impressive how smooth my nails got. Then I started to shine starting with my thumb and I immediately stopped because I was floored at the shine and took a before photo, second photo being the after. I barely rubbed the white side on my nails and this is the shine. Freaking polished. It came with 2 replacement white sides so I'm pretty sure this is going to last a while. When I opened the package, I thought, bummer, this is just an expensive nail buffer block, but then I used it and in less than 5 minutes, I had nice shine nails. It took no time at all to get a nice shine. Wow! I'm impressed. This leaves nails very shiny. The shine lasts for weeks and I can confirm, it helps nails to grow faster. It even helped smooth out some of the deeper ridges in my toenails. Number 4. 3 Swords Manicure Set. This elegant set contains everything you need for a professional manicure and pedicure at home. It's perfect for both personal use and as a thoughtful gift. Each tool is crafted with meticulous attention to detail, using high-quality materials and German engineering. Experience the difference that superior craftsmanship makes. The set includes cuticle scissors, nail clippers, tweezers, a sapphire file, and more, everything you need for perfectly groomed nails. It's a comprehensive kit for all your nail care needs. The tools are made of durable, nickel-plated steel, resistant to corrosion. They're housed in a fashionable black leather case, making it perfect for travel or storage. This luxurious set makes a wonderful gift for any occasion. Show someone you care with a present that combines quality, style, and practicality. We stand behind the quality of our products. If you have any issues, please contact us directly, we're always happy to help. What we like. This complete manicure and pedicure set includes everything you need for professional nail care at home. It's made with high-quality, durable materials and comes in an attractive gift box. If you're looking for a comprehensive, high-quality gift, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Great quality, very handy zipped in case. I would highly recommend it. Each tool is sharp to precision. Good feel, excellent performance, and sharp, no really sharp. This kit contains everything you need to groom your fingers and toes. The tools appear to be of high quality for the price. The case is fairly substantial and keeps your tools well organized. Very pleased with this purchase. Number 3. GERMANIKURE 7-PC Manicure Set. This luxurious set is perfect for achieving salon-quality manicures and pedicures at home. It includes everything you need for perfectly groomed nails. Each steel tool is hand-sharpened by skilled artisans in Solingen, Germany, ensuring exceptional quality and durability. It's a testament to German craftsmanship. The high-carbon stainless steel tools are incredibly strong, rust-proof, and will stay razor-sharp for years to come. Experience the difference of superior materials. The included glass nail file is handmade in the Czech Republic using patented technology. It gently files nails without tearing or damaging them, providing a long-lasting, smooth finish. GERMANIKURE is committed to ethical and sustainable practices. This set is handcrafted in socially and environmentally responsible facilities, so you can feel good about your purchase. We are so confident in the quality of this set that we offer a lifetime guarantee. Enjoy years of flawless manicures and pedicures. What we like. This set features award-winning glass cuticle tools and hand-sharpened stainless steel implements made in Germany. The tools are guaranteed for life. If you appreciate quality craftsmanship and long-lasting tools, this is the set for you. What people say. Everything looks precision-made. When I used these things for the first time I was pleased in the performance. The items that do the cutting, clipping, and trimming were sharp as I would like them to be. It gets the job done without some extra effort and patience. The case is very convenient for traveling, hold up to 8 instruments and still very compacted, plus there is the possibility to add more instruments. The best parts of this kit are the cuticle scissors. These scissors are precision and sharp. I also love the glass nail pusher. The lightly abrasive ends really clean up the nail cuticle line without traumatizing your finger. After using the clippers, nails are smooth and don't feel crazy sharp like they did with cheaper clippers. The cuticle trimmers are also fantastic and I love the glass nail file. Number 2. 3 Swords Manicure Set. This exquisite set offers everything you need for a professional manicure and pedicure. It's perfect for home use or travel, ensuring you always look and feel your best. Each tool is crafted with precision in Solingen, Germany, known for its superior steel. Experience the difference that quality makes with this durable and long-lasting set. This comprehensive kit includes nail scissors, clippers, tweezers, files, and more. Everything you need for perfectly groomed nails is right here. The tools are made of handmade, bright nickel-plated steel, resistant to corrosion. It also comes in a stylish, black leather case for easy storage and travel. This luxurious set makes a thoughtful gift for any occasion. Show someone you care with the gift of perfect nails. We stand behind our products. If you have any issues, contact us directly, we're always happy to help. What we like. This kit boasts a range of tools made with high-quality Solingen steel, including both glass and sapphire nail files for versatile nail care. It's perfect for those who want precision and durability. If you value superior quality in a variety of tools, this is a great option. What people say. This is a very high-quality product and all the cutters and scissors are precision machined, much better than most other similar products. I especially like the glass nail file, it really works great and leaves a smooth edge on your nails. The case feels good and the clippers, scissors etc. are all very high quality. Excellent value, best among all kits I found, optimal array of tools, nice solid quality and exactly the tools used most often, including 2 grades of nail files and 2 different useful scissors, genuine leather case with leather loops to secure tools, looks durable as long as leather tool loops are not abused. Leather on case is plenty thick, otherwise solid zipper on case does not interfere with removal of tools like with some other cases. Number 1. 3 Swords Manicure Pedicure Kit. This kit is perfect for both professional and at-home use. It's designed for long-lasting quality and includes everything you need for a perfect manicure and pedicure. It boasts superior German engineering and craftsmanship. Experience the difference that quality materials and precision manufacturing make. You'll find a set of high-quality tweezers, a sapphire nail file, and clippers for both your fingernails and toenails. Everything you need is included. The tools are handmade, nickel-plated for corrosion resistance, and come in a stylish, black leather case. It's perfect for travel or storage. This kit makes a wonderful gift for any occasion. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just to show someone you care. Give the gift of pampering. We stand behind our products. If you have any issues, please contact us directly, we're always happy to help. What we like. This smaller set includes the essential tools for basic manicure and pedicure needs. It's compact and perfect for travel or those who prefer a minimalist approach. If you need a simple, travel-friendly set, this is a great choice. What people say. Everything is meticulously crafted, from the handmade, bright nickel-plated steel implements, because corrosion. Mean, to the sleek, black leather case. Both the nail cloppers work well, cutting through the nail easily with a satisfying click. The file is good, though it's small, having a surface more similar to sandpaper than just ridges on some other metal files. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.